Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Elementor website. First, ensure you have WordPress installed on your hosting. Then, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and search for Elementor to install and activate it. Finally, select a theme that works well with Elementor, as this will provide a solid foundation for your design. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth building experience. Now let's dive into designing your pages. Open a new page or post and click Edit with Elementor. You can easily drag and drop various widgets like headings, images, and text editors onto your canvas. Customize each element's style, content, and advanced settings. For faster development, explore Elementor's extensive library of pre-designed templates and blocks to jumpstart your layout. To elevate your website's appearance, leverage Elementor's advanced styling options. Set global fonts and colors to maintain a consistent brand identity across all pages. Ensure your site looks great on any device by using the responsive editing mode to adjust layouts for desktops, tablets, and mobiles. For unique touches, experiment with dynamic content and add custom CSS to specific elements. Once your design is complete, it's time to publish your Elementor website. Always preview your pages thoroughly to catch any last-minute adjustments before making them live. Optimize all images to ensure fast loading speeds, which is vital for user experience. Finally, apply basic search engine optimization techniques, such as proper headings and meta descriptions, to help your site rank better in search results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.